It, Danny, you just stopped
Okay,
it.
Danny,
No,
go
I
way
didn't.
over there. Go way over there. You don't have to start it.
It was a sweltering hot summer day. A crow was in his house. A crow was in his house resting. When he thought he needed a drink of water. He decided to take a walk. He walked and walked and walked and walked until he came upon a pitcher of water. But the pitcher was only half full. The crow leaned and stretched out his beak as far as he could. No matter how hard he tried, he could not reach the water. So he thought and thought until he came up with an idea. He picked up a pebble in his beak and dropped it into the water. The water level in the pitcher rose just a tiny bit. So he dropped in another pebble, then another, and then one more. The crow continued doing this for a long time. Finally, the water in the pitcher had risen high enough. The crow poked in his beak and drank to his heart's content. Moral, little by little does the trick.